Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina Artistry. Today we'll be unboxing a new box. This is the first time I actually got this one. It's a subscription. It's $39.99 a month and it's single swag. It's like I said, it's $39.99. You get it every month. Supposedly it's for single women, or so we'll see if it's only like a single woman approved or anybody can actually have it. Down below I'll have a link of the company and a code for you to get a discount on your first box. So let's get started. Okay, there we go. There we go. And here's how it looks from the inside. It has a little postcard with the information, and it says New Year Revolution, love yourself more. And it's the, I guess, 2, 4, 6, 7, I believe 7 products in it. I believe it's beauty. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. I'll open it. So here it is. So we're gonna start opening it. There you go. And the first one is the Classy Rose Gold Eyelash Curler. So this one here is, let me see, how much is it? $40. So there you go. Just on this one here, you get your money worth. It's rose gold. Let me see if I should take it out. There you go. So there you go. Of course I have lashes on, so I'm not gonna use them. So rose gold, really nice color, and it's value of $40. So that's one. Put this aside. And this is Nico, New York, or yeah, Nico, New York. And this one here, it says Nico, New York silver bar necklace, and it's valued at $64. Wow, wow. I must put the total on this card. I mean on this box. So here's the necklace. Let me see. There you go. It's a really short one. I guess you can extend it. Here you go. Not that short. So there you go. This one here is valued at $64. It doesn't have anything but a long little stick or something. So there you go. This one from New York, Nico, New York. That's our second. Then we have our, it says Mana Carter Beauty, and it's a moisturizing miracle balm. So I guess it's a lip balm. And this one here is $19. Of course, I'm not going to use it because I already have lipstick. But of course, I probably will be reviewing it on the other videos. So there you go. This one here is valued for $19. So this is our third one. And this is Beyond Cleaning. It's a cleanser and buff all in one. So it's a cleanser, 30 plus washes, but let's see, is it for the face or is it for the body? Let me see. Treat your feet. Oh, this is for your feet with this body wash infused buffer with built-in cleanser and smooth extract that will wick away dry skin and leave your feet soft and silky smooth. So this one here is for the feet, and it's valued at $16. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so good. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this one. Sure do need it, I think. And ooh, chocolate, Italian milk chocolate. Let's see, this one is $5. So I guess every single woman needs chocolate in their life, especially you know, the month of the women. Every once a week, once a month. So this here, I can't smell it. I won't taste it because I like to share with my kiddos. So I won't open this one. Okay, and this one here is Pure Lease. Purely's. Yes, it's a green tea and ginger rejuvenating sheet mask. Moisturized and exfoliating. Yes, I have a lot of masks. I have not tried this one. Let me see if this one, because I read that this box usually have organic, so maybe this is an organic one. This one is $38. If you love your skin with those smoothing, firming, natural fiber mask infused with green tea and ginger, the power blends all natural ingredients will moisturize, fight harmful free, reduce inflammation, leaving your skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. It fixes in all skin type. So it doesn't say if it's organic or not. Let's see how to use. But anyways, I'll be using this one for sure because I'll be, oh, that's a lot of them inside of the box. And I said it has 6 total for $38. So there you go. I'll definitely be using this one. I'll definitely be reviewing this with my son, or I don't know, maybe myself before I do makeup. So I'm gonna try these. It has 6 for $38. So there you go on this one. And then I think this is our last product here, and it should be a beanie. Yes, this one here is a beanie. It's a Handband of Hope Black Confetti Beanie, and it retails for $32. Oh, here we go. I'm not gonna use it, but here we go because I have my hair up. So it's pretty good. It has a weird fabric smell, but here you go. So this one here is for $38. It has the box is pretty amazing. It seems like it's probably over $200. I believe like over $200. I'll be linking on one of the sites how much it was the whole value of the box. Me personally, I think you don't have to be single to kind of enjoy all this. I don't think only single women use this hat or a necklace or the mask, everything. I think it should be for all. It's pretty nice. I like it. I do like it, so I'm gonna continue receiving it every month. Like I said, it's a monthly subscription. It's $39.99. We will have the link below. I'll have the link below where you can get a discount on your first box. Hope you like it. Hope you like the review. I'll definitely be posting pictures with the hat, the necklace, and all the pictures that I have. Of course, I'll be joining my chocolate because I'm a chocolate person as well. So hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you until next time. Ciao.